Lesson 61, two-step equations. This is a very, very easy lesson. All we have to do is solve these equations, and we have to do 2 steps instead of 1 that we've been doing. So it's very, very simple. So let's look at the first example. It says solve 3x plus 2 equals 7. What we have to do is get like terms together. So the 2 that is adding, we're going to pass it to the other side to subtract to the 7. So 3x equals 5. Then the 3 that is multiplying is going to go to the other side to divide. And we just write it as a fraction, and that's our answer. Very, very simple. Let's look at this second example. It's the same thing, but now with fractions. So we're going to pass the negative 1/2 to the other side to add. Now to do that, we need common denominator. And there are 2 ways to do it. One is to find the common denominator for all 3 of them or for all of the terms. The other way is just to work with this one. In this case, I'm going to do the first way where we get the common denominator for all of them. So the common denominator is 6. So I'm going to multiply times 2 and times 2 so that I get 6. Times 2 and times 2 so that I get 6. And here times 3 and times 3 so that I get 6. 2 times 2 is 4x, 2 times 10 is 20, and 3 times 1 is 3. When we have the same denominator in both sides of an equation, we can cancel, so we don't have to worry about that anymore. And then the 4x that is multiplying is going to pass to the other side to divide. And our answer is 23 over 4, and that's it. Our last example, very similar but with mixed numbers. So we're going to do like terms first. We'll pass these to add. And I'm going to write all of these numbers in improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7/3 x equals 23/10 plus 1 times 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 over 5. Now we're going to do the second way that I told you, and we are going to only work with this one. We're going to find the common denominator only for that one, so we'll leave 7/3 here. There's no special reason for this. You can do it either way. If I do common denominator, the common denominator is 10, so I'm going to multiply only 5 times 2 and 6 times 2. 23/10 plus 12/10. 23 plus 12 is 33 over 10. Now to leave x by itself, I have to pass this 7/3 that is multiplying here to divide. And I know when I divide, I multiply by the reciprocal. So we leave 33/10 first, and then we multiply by the reciprocal 7/3, which is 3 over 7. And to find the answer, we just have to multiply. So that's going to be 99 over 70. Remember, we always try to reduce first, but if we can't, then we just multiply. And that is it. I hope this is very clear. Go do some practice. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you in the next video.